That's a hell of a place to put a silo. Les crinches, les chickens, les silos, les couchers, les whiplash des fermières, les billes de dommage. Barney, you fathead. That's the third aircraft you busted up this month. You've got the entire squadron on assigned rest. Sorry, Captain, I need a volunteer.
Oh, no. I got to be in the air where the action is, blasting them Huns with my Vickers.
Be cool, Barney. I can't have that kind of violent talk in front of my teeny-bopping daughter's picture. Oh, yeah. I'm hip. Your assignment is to fly over enemy lines, land and rescue the captured French air ace, Francois Defeat. He's being interrogated in a farmhouse by a German intelligence officer. Here are your sealed orders in detail.
Oh, beautiful, baby. I'm ready. Let's go. How about my camel, Corporal Lackluster?
All set, Lieutenant. Say, if you got a minute, I'd like to show you my latest...
Don't bug me, man.
But you can't miss with this. It's an air-to-air missile, complete with printed instructions.
You're sick. Now back off. Contact. Whoa, boy. Whoa. Straighten up and fly right. That's it. Now, let's see what these orders say again. Beware of enemy resistance. Beat unfortunate security leak. Man, that security leak is a gusher.
Achtung! Yankee, you dare to challenge Baron von Ribbentrop? Scheiterhatzen können Deutschland halten, wie ein Powder. Oh, which means your brother is a balloon. Den Lieutenant Mausen stände vakanzen Stünförner. Out. Und Steinewatzen, Kaitensten, Döllern auf Eigenföhnen, nicht Steinstemmblasen.
That's for openers. Man, I got a groovy finish. It's you, clown. Oh, man, I got him up tight now. He's reeling. Them French chicks is gonna blow their minds when I stomp in wearing that Medal of Honor. She's getting to me now. Where's that Lackluster's rocket? I'm taking that Kraut boy with me. It says, simply light fuse, and it's supposed to go. That's it.
That's a stiff.
Oh, man, that Lackluster is going to hear from me. We're going to have some kind of out-of-sight court-martial. This is it, man. Old Francois in there, I know. Boy, them Huns is really putting him through his paces. I'll just tear in there and start busting them up. All right, this is a raid. Drop everything. You're... Huh? Now, just a lint-picking minute.
You will rescue me from this foreign masher, no?
No way, ma'am. I come to rescue that captured Mr. Defeat.
But he's not captured. He surrendered to be with me. Yeah.
Take me. Funny you look a lot like your brother.
Sorry, Francois, but this is a war, not a love-in. Orders is orders. Nothing personal, of course.
Dankeschön, mein friend. How can I ever thank you?
Why, don't mention it. Well, so long, and I'm sorry about this war.
It's so noisy, ain't it?
Auf Wiedersehen.
Storm, I'll have your bars for this, you bubble-headed clown.
What'd I do, Captain? I brought home that French fella, didn't I?
That's just the trouble. You let that crazy Frenchman loose on this field. Look out this window up in the sky.
Who's that with him?
My innocent teeny-bopping daughter. That's who.
Oh, my God. I sure hate to go through this again.
Ah, yes, my pussycat.
Oh,
If you kiss like this at 5,000 feet, what it must be like on the ground.
oh, too much. Oh. Oh.
Fantastic.
Lackluster in his crummy rockets, my wheels falling off, my goggles all full of grease, my machine gun is bent. I sure wish I was back in Apple Creek fishing. Jeez, I wish I was back there.